gun will now go from the high.
Well, we're here. 2022 SHOT Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. Actually, we're here at the Industry Day at the Range in Boulder City. I'm excited to be here. This is our first ever day at the range. How are you doing?
Great. I'm super excited. We woke up really early, jumped on the bus, and I'm excited to see what they have here.
Yeah, we're going to go check out some of the firearms demos. They also have a section on archery, on air guns for like hunting air guns, and they even have some outdoor technology stuff like the Skydio drones and I think some ATVs or UTVs, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, we're going to check it out and hopefully see a bunch of cool stuff. Over here at North Star Arms booth at SHOT Show Industry Day at the range. Really excited to get my hands on some of the rifles, do a little target practice, see how they work, see how they function, and it should be a lot of fun. Thank you very much.
Morning. How are you? Good. How are you?
Then hit it on the. There you go.
Okay.
And then safety.
Shot business. You ever heard of that? No. The big magazine, the industry magazine.
Those are production guys.
For safety. As far as this, I imagine Savage.
I'll bring you some swag. We've got that one.
Goes kind of quick, huh? And remember, flip all the way. There you go.
This is our 18-inch SPR with a little extra brake on there.
That was a lot of fun. That was awesome.
Basically what we're going to do today is we'll give you a demonstration on the miniguns and then obviously you can continue with the rifles on that side. Rounds a minute. And lastly on this gun, you're now going to see the gun go between the high and low rate and back. Now we're going to switch to the low rate of fire.
So we're now here at the Rubox booth. I shouldn't say booth. I'm so used to conventions, I'm saying booth all the time. Aisle here at the Industry Day at the range at SHOT Show 2022. And they have a very cool bullet trap system. Whereas instead of a normal range, which needs layers and layers of rock, sediment, concrete, whatever their material is, you have an 11-inch deep block that'll stop anything going.
You're gonna get up on the product. Okay. And on top of that, I said, you're getting 33 years experience. There you go. Smooth operator.
We always set up SHOT Show. They said, hey, let's go out and shoot some guns. I'm like, well, this is the first year and ammo's like really expensive, but okay.
Yeah. Well, we were walking by and the 1911 called my name because 1911's classic gun. I'd love to pop a few rounds off.
Yeah. This is a 1911 U.S. Army, so it's about the closest copy to U.S. Army 1911 out there. It is nice, isn't it?
Light.
Sweet.
That's so light. That was it.
Yeah, that's it.
So we just checked out the shotguns over at Tokarev's booth and the pistols over at Tisas' booth, or table, I should say. Tisas had this really nice 1911, like an old World War II Army style, really just classic looking gun. Shot really smooth. It was a 9mm, which was a little different. I've only shot him in 45, but the recoil was so smooth on it. Over at Tokarev's side, they had 4 different shotguns lined up. One was like a Remington 870 style. It's not a Remington, it's a Tokarev. But we shot some shells out of that. That was really fun. Nice hard kicking shotgun. And day's just getting better. So we'll see what's next.
Doing it, they got a bunch of, I think they were parrot. They found out they just fall out of the sky. They're horrible. 0-second wait time. And I'm trying to think of what else. It was, I mean, everything was used using less demand like rifles. Then you got to figure out what I can. That's the issue. But it's possible to do the forecasting. I think we've got there's still an opportunity to buy more mines. Start running out of stuff.
Okay, so we've shot a bunch of guns, we checked out a cool drone, and now we're really hungry, so where are we at?
Corndogs.
Yes, we're at the corn dog truck.
World's best corn dogs.
Yeah, there's a lot of options here. That you have many choices when you come to Industry Day at the range. There's the Dragon Grill, there's a Latin Fusion Grill, there's Cousin's Maine Lobster Truck, which I didn't even know that they served lobster out of a food truck, but I mean, hey, it's Vegas. And the Hawaiian Kona Coffee House one, which I'm probably going to grab some coffee after this.
Yeah.
And the Love Trailer with the world's best corn dogs.
Time to refuel.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so good. Delicious. Massive corn dogs.
So this is the Air Saber Elite X2. Has 2 barrels in it, each with its own arrow. So this is a 20 gauge air rifle, and it's shooting these slugs. Look at that. That is amazing.
395 grains.
Wow. That had some kick.
When you're ready.
Nice. That is fun.
One with the safety.
They are 17.
Same thing. Same principle.
Exactly. It really does.
They're pretty sweet. They make the Charger version. It's about this long. Pistol. People are asking for that thing. It's pretty sweet. Let it rip.
That is crazy.
Let it rip.
You guys will have a booth, yeah?
Yeah, show.
Okay.
That was so much fun. Like, crazy fun.
All right. I don't want to be in your way.
I'm just saying, some teams use the cans because of the high environment. Every round, I was watching him.
So we just got done over at Franklin Armory shooting their Glock 17 with the, actually Glock 18, I believe, with the binary trigger, and a cool AK. I've never shot an AK before, so that was really cool, and it had the binary trigger as well. We're waiting now to check out Bushmaster's selection here at the SHOT Show Day at the range, and I'm stoked. So far, it's been a lot of fun. Okay, so we just got done at the upper range. We checked out a lot of cool manufacturers, a lot of cool firearms. Now we're going to head over to the lower range, and we're going to see the rifles. We're going to see a bunch of cool stuff down the way, and I don't know for sure, but they may have some sort of like UTV or ATV demos down there too. We'll find out.
Rifle alone, probably 5.5 pounds.
Tell me what you want to do.
Just walked up to Rock Island Armory's aisle here. Looks like they got a ton of pistols to try out. I've been looking to try out a compact 1911 style pistol, so they say they have a couple. Can't wait to check it out.
Fine for carry. It's meant for close.
In there the entire time with the...
Yep, pop, pop, pop. There's no tactical reload for this. There's only emergency reload.
Okay.
What do you think of that smooth turn?
That is really smooth.
Isn't it? I mean, for out-of-the-box gun, it's amazing. So to run this, you're simply going to run this to the rear
Okay.
and let it go, and then you're going
way.
to push up on that when you're ready to shoot.
Okay. Push up.
Push up on that. Look through the sight, find the little red dot, put the red dot right where you want it to hit. I don't think you're going to have to wait for a kid to want one of these.
We'll pick up and load against it. Always remember, bullets forward, otherwise you'll shoot yourself.
Yep, that's what I checked it.
Collection stuff. Yeah, beautiful. Well done. Great job. Great job.
Thank you.
Yeah, 6 for 6. You can't beat that.
Oh, that was so much fun.
Yeah.
So much fun. It took a little getting used to at the start because of the... All right, so we're gonna ride this this ATV. right, so we just got done at the SHOT Show 2022 Industry Day at the Range, sounding real official, but it's been a long day. We've been walking around, shooting guns, riding ATVs.
Doing cool stuff.
And now we're back at the hotel. So, yeah, what was your favorite part of the day?
I don't know. It was really cool chatting with the people at each of the booths and hearing about their guns. Everybody was really nice. I shot a really fun 22. We got to go on a cool ATV ride. I rode, you drove. That was wild.
That was good. That was
Saw
good.
a cool drone, and it was just a fun day. Met neat people.
Yeah. So what's next for us?
A couple days from now, we're going to rent some bikes from Harley, and we're going to ride across the Hoover Dam into Arizona briefly, and just go on a little adventure.
Yeah, it's going to be a fun little adventure ride on the road. It's an adventure in the adventuring sense, not the adventure bike sense, but still, it'll be good. So stay tuned. We'll be back.